You guys, the human concentration span is reducing annually, and right now it has reduced to 8 seconds. So you have 8 seconds to grab someone's attention, to read your content, your blog content, to watch your videos and all of that. That is crazy. What it means is that you should not just create content. However, what can make these people stop scrolling to watch what you've got in your content is your headline. So a headline is the first stopper. So in today's video, I want to share with you the importance of headlines in every content. I'll also share with you the key elements that your headline should have, and of course I will share with you my own formula of writing headlines. So guys, if this is your vibes, click the subscribe button if you have not, and give this video a thumbs up. So first thing first, headlines are the first and sometimes the last chance to grab attention. So what it means is that your headline is a non-negotiable in your content. So what are the important, why is it that important? Number one is that is the first impression. By first impression, your headline is what decides whether someone will stop the scroll and watch your content. So if your headline does not catch a person's attention, the rest of your content does not matter because they won't stop by to watch it. So your headline is the first impression of your content. Of course, these headlines can differ in different styles of content. For example, a hook can be used as a headline for a video content, while a headline is a headline on a written content. The second importance of headline is that it targets the right audience. Of course, having a great headline helps you to filter the wrong and right audience. When you write a headline that speaks directly to the pain point of people's problem, those people that has those problems will gravitate around that content, thereby filtering people that don't need your content. For example, you are running an ad. Your headline should be able to attract the people that have that problem to that ad. So if anyone, for instance, comes across that ad and that headline does not solve his or her problem, the person will scroll. The third importance of headline is it drives engagement and traffic. Now, however, when someone watches your content that is first of all being attracted by a headline, the person stops to read what your content is all about, and they get to share with their network, and that way you can get the visibility and the virality that you want. This is a few of so many importance of headline for your content. Let's talk about the key elements of a headline. So for a headline, there are three I want to share with you in this video. So the first is power word. A headline should have a power word. A power word are words that triggers emotions and command attention. If your headline does not have a power word, it has little chances of demanding attention. So words like secret, hidden, unhinged, these are power words, right? Something that people see, wow, they can't wait to just find out the secret. It's a power word, and your headline, every headline should have a power word. The second element your headline should have is urgency, right? Have a word that sparks urgency. This basically tells your readers they need to act now. So it gives them a sense of urgency. Oh, if I don't do this particular thing, I will lose that. If I don't jump on this offer, I might not get it at this rate again. So your headline should have a sense of urgency. The third element I will share with you also is time frame. Having a time frame tells your audience when and how fast they should expect a result. So imagine your headline having a power word, having a sense of urgency and time frame. Guys, people will jump to see what your content is. So let me share with you my own formula of writing headlines, right? So this is one of the best I will share with you. I have a quite couple of them, but in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you one of my frequently used formula for headline. So that formula is number plus power word plus keyword plus promise plus time frame. Of course by now you should see it on the screen, right? So this is my formula. However, this formula can be changed according to the content topic. However, my headlines usually come with at least 4 of these formulas, right? So it's either I use a number plus keyword plus promise and time frame, or I use a number plus power word plus keywords and time frame, right? It just depends on the topic you're writing or on the type of content I'm putting out, right? So example that can help in this formula is how to build a brand that sells by the end of the year. So yeah, so guys, yeah, this is all I've got to share with you in this video. And of course I know that you got value. If you've not hit the subscribe button, like, I don't really get it. What are you waiting for? Please do it to hit the subscribe button and join my family, because it's all energy and value here, right? Give this video a thumbs up, cut out a part of this video that you like so much, and tag me on my social media handle, which is on your screen. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one. Bye for now.